Here we are on Stapleton, Jacobs Road, Jacobs Well Road, the Gem Hotel. We're coming up to where the Coomera connector, as we believe, is going to join the Jacobs Well Stapleton Road, and then I'll show you what our proposal is on where we're going to take it over to Ferry Road. They propose that the road's going to come in here on our right. We're going to be turning left here. The road will be going ahead just over there. See up the road here a bit. And it'll be crossing into the green area on our right here. Be going through the paddocks, the cane fields behind this house. As you can see, there's no houses over there. Still, we'd be well and truly over in the middle of these paddocks here. It's going to annoy the cane farmer here, but it's a straight through way to the Ferry Road crossing. I'm sure they'd figure a way it quite possible be the other side of this oval and everything through here. You'll be able to edit some of this anyway, won't you? As you see, we're following the existing Albertson Road, but zigzagging around a bit, whereas it'll be going a straight line over through the green area. As motorways go, are the easiest way, straight line. There's Eagle be back over that way. Still green space all the way over here. Not a koala in sight. As far as I know, we're not upsetting any bird habitats or koalas or anything going this way. Unfortunately, these people that have a view of a freeway we're coming up to where they've got an existing boat ramp. And this is where the ferry used to cross years ago, hence being called Ferry Road on the other side. You see it's all green space through here. They could start building up from way back here to get the height of the bridge. I can envisage, as far as bridges go, a nice big bridge across here, like similar to what they've got down, what's the name of the place?
Tweed Heads.
Tweed Heads. Which would run across here, and of course
It's a beautiful spot.
it would have to be a high bridge
Look at it.
to enable, as you can see, we get tall masted yachts more here. But you could have a beautiful big bridge across here.
Yeah.
And that's Ferry Road across there where that big masted catamaran is. All this space here, a clean run straight through there.